Liquid nitrogen at minus 170 is liquid. If I heat it up to room temperature, it's a gas. Gases take up way more volume than liquids. They want to expand. We're going to do an experiment now that shows you the power of expansion. We're going to put liquid nitrogen into a bottle, and we're going to seal it. The liquid nitrogen is going to get warm, and it's going to want to expand. It can't expand because it's trapped in a bottle. We're going to see what happens. This may be the loudest bang you have ever heard in your life. I'm going to give you a couple of safety calls here. Number one, if you don't like loud bangs, please put your fingers over your ears. Number two, if you are sitting on the front row, I cannot guarantee what's going to happen. Duck, all of those things. You've gone through the maneuvers. Duck, you might want to step back. I don't know how safe you're feeling. No, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. If you're sitting at the back, this is the time to get out your video recorders, because you will never have seen an explosion like this. If you have very, very small children who might be frightened, I'm going to just ask you to take special care of them now. You might want to put double ears on. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour liquid nitrogen. We're going to pour liquid nitrogen into a bottle. And we're going to trap it. It's going to expand. And hopefully, it's going to break the bottle in a way that you would never have seen before. Are you ready? Yeah, okay, here we go. First of all, we start with the liquid nitrogen. Next, we're going to take the lid Are you ready? And now we wait.